So in the last two lecture we had discussed about fixed base index and chain base index. So let us do a quick revision on the same. Fixed base index means we are going to fix a base year. Base year's price we are going to fix. For example, when we are given a serially number of years will be given, from that year 1 year we are going to fix, and that year's price we are going to fix, and we are going to use it repeatedly for finding the indices. And in the chain based index we are going to find the link relative. The first step is to find link relative, then we are going to use this link relative and multiply it with the preceding year's chain index. We are comparing the years, so we are using the preceding year's chain base index, then we are going to divide it with 100. Now we are going to see the conversion of fixed base index to chain base index and vice versa, that is from chain base how to convert it to fixed base index. So one thing to note here is, in this case, in the conversion case, if you want to find the chain base index, the fixed base index will be given to you. Similarly, when you are converting chain base to fixed base, you will be given the fixed base index number. So here there is no concept of finding or calculating current year price. Here we are going to deal with fixed base index and chain base index only. So here we are going to do the conversion part, where we are going to convert fixed base index to chain base index. So basically we will be given fixed base index will be given to us, and we have to convert or we have to find in terms of chain base. So the formula is, we are going to find chain base index is equal to current year's fixed base index. This will be already given to us. So current years, when you are finding 2010, that same year's fixed index will be using here, divided by just previous year's fixed base index into 100. If you closely observe, in fixed base index and chain base index, we were focusing on price variable, whether it was current year or it was of fixed year. One thing to note down is, when we are going to find chain base, remember the chain base general formula. The general formula said that we have preceding year has to be calculated. In the chain base, we had a term of finding preceding year's chain base. Similarly, the same thing we are going to use here also. Just previous year means just preceding year. So this is the concept in chain base. Whenever you want to find the chain base, you are going to use the concept of preceding year. This is how we have to find chain base index. Now the second one is to convert chain base index to fixed base index. So here, for finding fixed base index, we are current year's chain index. Okay, so here we are not given price, again we are given the chain base. So chain base index will be given to us, that we are going to use here current year's chain base index into previous year's fixed base index. Okay, chain base index will be given and previous years we are going to calculate, and that we are going to divide it with 100. So this is how we are going to find the conversion part of fixed base and chain base indexes. Now we are going to compare the normal versions and the conversions. So in the standard one, for fixed base index, we had used the base price in the denominator, whereas for conversion, for finding fixed base index, we had multiplied that part. The division has converted into multiplication. Similarly, for chain base index, we had two terms here, link relative into preceding year. This is what multiplication. What happens in the conversion? For chain base conversion, what happens? Multiplication converts into division into 100. Okay, so whatever was in the divisional form, that we had multiplied, and whatever in the multiplication form we had divided. So this is how we are converting from one index to another index. So in next lecture we are going to see problems related to these conversions. Thank you.